it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a free gift with purchase for you. For this free gift, it's any size order. It will pop into your cart a super cute little notepad with a coordinating pen, a bamboo pen, so it's super fun. My little gift for you. Just want to let you know how awesome you are and thank you for supporting me this year. I really do appreciate you. We also have a coupon code that I'm extending to our YouTube followers through the 20th. So you can use gift for you for 15% off your order. GIFT, the number 4, and the letter U. We do have a few designs. They will be random unless you specify in the comments box when you place your order. There's one that says let it snow, and the pens might be different. So like this one says hello winter, but my husband packed these together and he might have put a different pen. But if you want the let it snow, let me know that. This one says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We've got warm and cozy. This one says hello winter. We've got hello winter. We've got joy, love, peace. And this is another Merry Christmas. So there's a few different other options. I just grabbed a handful, but just wanted to let you know that it is like a random design that will be in your package. Today I am sharing a little restock of papers. I want to share some gift tags that I created and a free digital download. You can download this very cute little Digi called Santa's Little Baker. You can download her for free for a limited time. Go to the website, nottoshabbyshop.com. You'll see her under the digitals. You'll click on stamps and then you'll see digital stamps. Super cute. So I colored her up in Christmas colors, and the paper that I used is the hot cocoa lattes and cookies. And I also used this paper on this card here, and this was also using a digital stamp. This digital stamp is called A Cup of Cozy, and I just love her. She's so much fun to color, so you can pick her up. The sentiment was used from the stamp set, Purrs and Cocoa, and this is such a cute little stamp set. It's got that sentiment and wishing you a perfectly sweet holiday. So I do have some of these available in the shop. So I also have a coupon code that expires tonight, but I'm going to extend that coupon for my YouTube followers for another day. So that coupon code is gift for you, GIFT, the number 4, and the letter U. That's for 15% off your order, and that'll be valid through the 20th. So I want to show you the other 2 cards I created on Mommy Guide ink, her Vlogmas Day number 13th. So I was a guest. If you want to check that out, I'll have it linked in the description box for you. So I had a lot of fun with Mommy Lala creating gift tags. So I created this one using the Brewing It Up paper pad and ephemera pack. So super cute. I love the little gnomes in there. And then this one here, I used the Gingerbread Visions paper pad. So this is really pretty. Beautiful designs in there. And then for our little sentiment here, I used this stamp set here, which is one of my favorites. This is the Holiday Cheer stamp set available in the shop. I love that large sentiment, hot cocoa, cozy blankets, Christmas movies, comfy we are, or comfy cozy we are, holiday cheer. That's what I used in hashtag pumpkin spice. It's got a really cool bow, and I believe the die is available as well. So I have a new backdrop. So I got a sweet little Christmas present from my dear friend Teresa. This beautiful glass mat, and I absolutely love it. It's got some really pretty distressing florals on the side of it. So I am loving that. So now when you guys see my videos, you'll see this in the backdrop and you'll know it's Jamie. So we've got Frosted Bliss. This is back in stock. Everyone was waiting for this one to come back in stock. We have the coordinating ephemera that's really cute that goes with us. Here's a couple of cards I did using the Frosted Bliss. Super, super cute. I just love these colors. Love Cats is back in stock. This is so cute. I think I put my cards away that I created with this. I can't locate that right now. I just had cleaned off my desk to get ready for Lala's live, and I put stuff away, but this is super, super cute. I will pop in a picture of Gianna Mays from J. Marie Designed. She did some beautiful projects using this paper collection. I'll have her link in the description box for you. She is our guest designer for December. Snowy Pastels is back in stock, another beautiful one from this month. Also, I restocked the Warm Winter Wishes. If you missed out on the coordinating ephemera, that is sold out, unfortunately, but we do have some cutouts on the inside of this paper pad that are super cute, really cute bunnies. And the Christmas Plaids #2 is back in stock, which is a nice staple to have in your stash to use whenever you need some really neat looking plaids. There are some unique plaid designs in this pack. And then here are some other samples from some of the papers that I just shared. So this is from the Gingerbread Visions. It makes really, really cute cards. This is a Call Me Crafty Al sheet load that I had done. There's another version, one using the Hot Cocoa Lattes and Cookies paper pad and that cute little stamp set, Purrs and Cocoa. And then this one here is using the Brewing It Up collection with those cute little gnomes. Super fun. So I just wanted to say a quick happy holidays to you guys. I have my mom in through the holidays, so we will be able to craft together, so I'm super excited about that. So thank you so much, guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.